The only public beach on Negril's famous 7-mile strip is hiding in plain sight, and almost nobody talks about it. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on Long Bay Beach Park. The moment you pull up, you already know this place is different. There is parking. Security guards are on the job. Lifeguards are on duty. This is not a free-for-all. This is an organized, well-kept, beautiful beach. And the entrance fee, 150 Jamaican dollars for adults, 50 for children. That is less than $2 to spend the whole day on one of the most gorgeous stretches of coastline in the Caribbean. Now, if this video is giving you that feeling, go ahead and tap the like button. It helps more people find these hidden gems, and honestly, Long Bay deserves the spotlight. The water is beautiful, clear, calm, and deep enough for a proper swim. The kind of swim where you can completely forget that emails exist. The beach itself is well kept and clean, and there is plenty of seating, so you do not need to stress about bringing chairs. But if you want your own setup, your own chairs, your own table, your own cooler packed with everything from curry goat to jerk chicken, bring it. Outside food is completely welcome. They are not trying to force you into buying overpriced snacks. And here's the thing, there are no vendors on this beach, no restaurants, no food stalls, nothing. You bring your own party, and they provide paradise. There is also a kitchen on site that you can rent if you are planning a group event or a function. So if you are thinking birthday party, family reunion, or team outing, Long Bay has the infrastructure for that. Now, here is the moment that really got me. I went on a Saturday morning, and it was peaceful. Mostly locals, a few tourists who clearly did their research. No chaos, no hustle, just good vibes in paradise. The facilities are solid too. Bathrooms, changing rooms, and outdoor showers. Hours run from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., so plan your day accordingly. 7 Mile Beach in Negril is one of the most photographed beaches in the world, and Long Bay Beach Park is the only public access point on that entire strip. That is exactly why we do this at Uncover Jamaica, because the best experiences are rarely the loudest ones. If you want to experience Long Bay Beach Park for yourself, or if you need help planning your Jamaica trip from scratch, come find us using one of the links below. Join the Uncover Jamaica email list and get early access to group tours and experiences like this.